Hey guys, Nick Aldis here, about just over 4 weeks out from my procedure, and I'm getting my first haircut. So I decided to shoot it and share it with you guys today. My friend Misty is cutting my hair. Say hi, Misty.
Hello, everybody.
And she's dealt with a few guys who have had this procedure before, so she's going to take a look at the stuff. All the scabs are basically gone, and as far as I can tell, I can't see it myself, it feels like the back is pretty much healed up, so she's gonna take a look at it and she's gonna smarten me all up because I haven't had my hair cut, as you can see, since I had the procedure.
It looks fantastic.
What do you think, Missy?
I think it looks fantastic. It's all blending in nicely, and it looks awesome. You're gonna be so pleased.
Misty just took a look at the back. Tell them what you told me.
Oh, it looks just so nice and smooth. You can't see a darn thing. You can't see any place where those little follicles were taken out. It was so balanced. They did it's a perfect job back here, Cliff.
There you go.
You look good.
We're all done?
I think that we're all done, and I think that it looks fantastic, and it blends, and it looks full. It looks full and balanced all the way around. I think you look like.
Well, I'm happy.
I think you look.
There we go. Now I feel like back to normal.
He is back to normal, and he looks so